The climate of Romania is temperate continental, transitioning into an oceanic climate on the eastern coast, influenced by Scandinavian-Baltic weather, the Mediterranean, and the Black Sea. Thus, in the south, there are some influences of a Mediterranean climate, characterized by mild winters and stronger rainfalls in the cooler months, especially in autumn. In the southeast, the Black Sea induces rather heavy, strong rains. In eastern regions, the continental character is less pronounced. In the north of the country, Maramureș and Bukovina, the effect of the Scandinavian-Baltic climate is felt, affecting a wetter and colder climate with cold winters. The west of the country has a more pronounced influence of low-pressure systems generated over the Atlantic, causing moderate temperatures and stronger precipitation. Climate nuances are demonstrated on the steppes of the altitude. The mountain ranges of the Carpathian Arc have a cool mountain climate with high humidity throughout the year. The average annual temperature is 11 degrees Celsius (51.8 degrees Fahrenheit) in the south and middle south, and 8 degrees Celsius (46.4 degrees Fahrenheit) in northeast. In Bucharest, the temperature ranges from an average low of 5 degrees C (23 degrees Fahrenheit) in January to an average high of 29 degrees Celsius (84.2 degrees Fahrenheit) in July and August, with average temperatures of 3 degrees C (26.6 degrees Fahrenheit) in January and 23 degrees Celsius (73.4 degrees Fahrenheit) in July and August. Rainfall, although adequate throughout the country, decreases from west to east and from mountains to plains. Some mountainous areas receive more than 1,010 millimeters (39.8 in) of precipitation each year. Annual precipitation averages about 635 millimeters (25 in central Transylvania, 521 millimeters (20.5 in) at Iași in Moldavia, and only 381 millimeters (15 in) at Constanta on the Black Sea. Owing to its distance from the open ocean, Romania has a continental climate. Summers are generally very warm to hot, with average highs in Bucharest being around 29 degrees Celsius (84.2 degrees Fahrenheit), with temperatures over 35 degrees Celsius (95 degrees Fahrenheit) not unknown in the lower lying areas of the country. Nighttime lows in Bucharest and other lower lying areas are around 18 degrees Celsius (64.4 degrees Fahrenheit), but at higher altitudes both maxima and minima decline considerably. In the coldest months of winter, December and January, temperatures average between 3 degrees Celsius and minus 15 degrees Celsius. During winter, the skies are often cloudy and snowfall is quite common. In the plains of Romania, there are about 30 days with snowfall per year. Winters are quite cold, with average highs even in lower lying areas being no more than 3 degrees Celsius (37.4 degrees Fahrenheit) and below 15 degrees C (5 degrees Fahrenheit) in the highest mountains. Precipitation is generally modest, averaging over 750 millimeters (29.5 in) only on the highest west-facing mountain slopes, much of it falling as snow, which allows for an extensive skiing industry. In the Danube Delta, rainfall is very low, averaging only around 370 millimeters (14.6 in) per year, whilst further west along the southern plains around Bucharest it amounts to around 530 millimeters (20.9 in). The absolute minimum temperature was 38.5 degrees C (37.3 degree F), registered near Brașov in 1942. The absolute maximum temperature was 44.5 degrees Celsius (112.1 degrees Fahrenheit), recorded at Ion County, Brăila County in 1951.